is Angel Gonzalez-Torres. I'm a project manager for Zenith Tech, and I have been working for Walbec Group for 3.5 years. One of my memorable experiences in working with the Walbec Group was the 2005 Milwaukee Road building renovation. It was an old building from AT&T. Basically, we got it all out, and then we do it again. The challenges were time and budget, and we had a very, very fast-paced project. Once I got hired and got on board, there was not even a designer hired, no drawings, no nothing. And we started with that challenge that we needed to be completed by the end of the year. So a project that usually would have taken 12 months, it took like 7. So it was a very, very, very big challenge. What makes me proud of being part of Walbec is the professional environment that I'm working on with the elite professionals in the field. We have companies that are being awarded by the departments and regulatory agencies as one of the best companies to work with and one of the best companies in terms of capacity of doing the work. The Walbec company, different from companies that I have worked for, I think have been the support that I have had from the management, the upper management, and the professionalism of the people, the passion that people have for the work. It's crucial. You can see it every day. Everybody does their work in a very passionate way, like they love what they do, and that has been very different from other places that I have worked with. We're here today in the Green Bay Tank Farm, operated by CRM, another company for the Northeast Asphalt. Basically what we're doing is reconstructing the footings of the 4 tanks that are compromised. We noticed some structural damages, and what we're doing is we're using a lifting system, basically lifting the tank over, cribbing it, and then we're going to demo all the foundations and reconstruct them again properly with the proper rebar and make it safer. That's basically the concept of the project. As you can see here, this is part of the system. These are the bags that get filled with air with the compressor, and they resist 75,000 pounds. And we have cribbing. We're going to have 12 cribs all over the tank. It's a 90 diameter tank, 52 feet high, and we're gonna move from this tank. This is tank number 4. We're gonna move to tank number 3, and then to tank number 1. We already did tank number 2. One of the things that drives me to give my 110%, like that people say, is the other people that I work with. When you have this opportunity to work with brilliant people, with the excel people in their field, you kind of like that because it's like a challenge to you. Like I want to understand him. I want to be like him. And it drives you to really excel on yourself, to perform, because you want to be great too. That's part of that. That's how I see it in my experience.